Hello everyone, welcome back to Lemon Solution. In this video, we are going to see how you can export WhatsApp chat as PDF. For this, you have to first open WhatsApp. Click on the chat that you want to export. Click on the three dot option present at the top here. Click on more. Now, tap on export chat. Click on without media. If you have a large number of messages that counts more than 10,000, then you should go with without media, because if you click on include media, it will also include your images and videos, and number of chats will decrease to 10,000. So it's better you click on without media. Choose the option that you want to share with. Here I am selecting Drive, with the help of which I convert TXT file into PDF. So click on Drive, click on Save. Once it gets saved, close this app, go to the Drive. Here it is uploaded. Now click on the three dot option, go to Open With. Click on Open with Docs. Click on Upload. Select the account where you want to upload this chat. Click on OK. For this method, make sure that you have installed Google Docs in your phone. Once the chat gets uploaded on Google Docs, it will automatically gets open. So here, or rather, you can also open Google Docs, open the chat. Click on three dot icon here. Go to Share and Export. Click on Save As. Click on PDF document. Click on OK. In this way, you can export WhatsApp chat as PDF. Thank you so much.